So we are now in the Southampton city centre area. There's a building on the right side, on my right hand side. Yeah, the same direction that you'll be looking at on your screen. The big building, the white one, that is the Southampton city centre. I think it's called. I think it's called something like a civic centre. Yeah, it's I think one of the biggest buildings in Southampton. This is where you're gonna be paying all the tax and all your money, basically. So yeah, they take all your money and then they do whatever they want, really. So yeah, that's a building. And the one on the left side is the that's an old building. Used to be a small shopping center. I think there are quite a few like little shops inside, and there used to be a buffet restaurant as well, and they sell like pretty much everything, like Indian, Chinese, Asian, also like Pan-Asian sort of food. And I'm not gonna floor it. I like to be gentle. Oops, sorry. Yeah, and this building, you see it now, is the you know what, I don't really know, it's sort of like it's a company.
What?
I think it's a building for oil or refinery, something like that, a company. So yeah, they usually put a big Christmas tree during Christmas time, of course, not now. Yeah, so it's beautiful at night during Christmas time only, but now it looks, you know. Okay, today is a beautiful day. The sun is out, the fan is gonna be out as well. Sun's out, ban, oh no, not ban, fan out. Yeah, ban is your ad, so I need to cut that bit. All right, so guys, it's as
Hey.
So these buildings on the left side are all like parking spaces, and also the shops and stuff like that. We also have a cinema inside, and that building looks nice. I think that this is the newest building that we've got here in this area. That, I don't know, I think the construction finished in maybe 2 years ago, something like that. Yeah. So yeah, and then we have another building on the right side, which is the Carnival. That's for the ships, the cruise liner and stuff like that. Oh, slowly, that's a bit. This car's so smooth. There's an IKEA on the right side. This is where we're going to be going today. Well, not the whole day. We're going to be there maybe half hour top. Wow. Okay, so we are now on the highest level of IKEA store. As you can see, we're on the top, so we're looking down this tree, the trees and the road that we just came earlier. On that side, how can I zoom in? Because I'm using the phone, so I cannot zoom in, you know, otherwise I can tap. Alright, so here a little bit. Leisure center, so you got the cinema, you have the casino, and like Italian restaurant and a few other places where you can visit. We've got this massive ship. Yeah, so Southampton is actually famous for this kind of transport system, you know, by sea. As you can see on the other side, which is the Hamble, I think. Yeah, that's a Hamble area, I think, on the other side. And yeah, actually it's not too far away from where I live.
Famous about or important
Weirdos. Oh, Titanic. Okay. much.
Bigger for the special department.
Oh, so that's only for the shoes. For the entrance. So how does it work?
No idea.
Do something. Ooh, that's cool. And open it again. Wow.